One of my favorite features of the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 is its ability to create hyperlapse videos. These can be extremely useful for transitioning between two settings or adding quick bursts of action between two shots. Let me show you how to make them. Before I forget, this is episode 4 of a mini-series I'm making about using iPhone XS Max with DJI Osmo Mobile 2, so check out any videos you may have missed, and subscribe now to see upcoming episodes. Anyway, let's get to it. To start a hyperlapse, open the DJI Go app and turn on the Osmo. From the main screen, tap the normal film icon on the left and select Hyperlapse. Choose your interval and duration. I usually prefer 0.5 seconds and free duration so I can end the clip whenever I want. If you want to be able to see your footage clearly as you shoot, check the Keep Screen Lightened during time-lapse box. But if you want to save a bit of battery life, leave the box unchecked and tap Start. Now you're capturing footage. When you finish, just hit the record button on the Osmo and your video is complete.